This is a 2006 Ranger Banshee Extreme. They have a wonderful following, and these boats will float in a mud puddle if you give them time. She's powered by a 2021 Yamaha 4-stroke 70 with right at 10 hours on it. She has warranty until June 24th of 2024. Her owner just put a new trolling motor on her new power pole, has updated the wiring, brand new steering system. She has a live well under the front seat, good storage. She's 16 foot 8 inches, 6 foot 9 inch beam. She'll float in 6 inches of water, 17-gallon fuel tank. She's had a lot of updates. She's got a few little issues, a couple scratches, a little bit of the powder coating needs to be redone, but overall, fantastic boat. She is ready to go, sitting on a single axle trailer. Her owner has set his sights on a liveaboard, so this nice lady needs to sell. She's got 3 batteries and battery charger. Give us a call at Berry-Boger Yacht Sales, 843-249-6167, and I'm John Gore.